everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It is time for Sample Stash Monday. So if you are new to my channel, Sample Stash Monday is on Monday I draw samples I got some containers here with samples. So I pull samples, try them for the week. Then on the following Monday I review those samples and pull new samples. So let's get started with last week's samples. And I will tell you one I did not use. I did not use the Garnier Blackhead Illuminating Scrub, so I will put that back in. That's usually what I do when I don't use something. I'll put it back in. Alright, so let's get into everything else. Let's start with fragrance. Alien by Mugler. I love this. It's all empty. Used it up. I can throw that away. Now, makeup. I used the MAC Strobe Cream. I even used it in a video last Friday's Chatty Get Ready With Me. It's okay. I don't see any need for it. I might have used it wrong. I used it kind of like an illuminating primer. So I put it on before my foundation. I don't really see any need in that. I mean, it's okay. I personally wouldn't purchase it. There you go. Next was this my Tarte Shape Tape, where they're falling all out and everything. Shape Tape concealer is my favorite concealer. So yeah, love that. So next, hair care. This was a carryover from the week before, but I did use it this time. The Christoph Robin. And man, look, I used it, but I've got a lot left. I'm going to wash my hair later today. I'm going to use it again. It smells like roses. It smells just like roses. It's like a scrub, but it makes the best lather. It lathers up, and it's, I don't know how to explain, but I really like it. And the scrubs don't seem to linger around. I have some scalp scrubs, and I don't like how if I don't get it really rinsed good, you can kind of feel those scrubs. This, it just completely goes away. This is nice. Yeah, it says it has pure Rasol clay and rose extracts. Smells like roses. Good roses, not chemical, artificial rose smell. This is nice. I'm going to use it again today. I'm going to use this sample up. And this I would consider purchasing. I don't need any shampoos right now. I've got some I'm trying to use up. My lesson I've learned is don't buy big bottles of anything. I think travel sizes is the best for me because I get bored with products. It's not that the products are bad. I get tired of using them and I want to move on to something else. So, yeah, that was great. And then what I have left is skincare. Like I said, I didn't use the Blackhead Scrub. The Nux Cream Hydrant, it's the Anti-Fatigue Moisturizing Cream. This is nice. This isn't something, wow, I've got to run out and buy it. This was nice. I don't foresee me purchasing this. I have a little bit left. I think I'll just throw it in my travel bag. I might focus it on when I can. I'm hoping soon. On my chest area. You know, I'm going to use it up. For my face, it's just okay. Next was this Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. It's a peel-off mask. I don't like peel-off masks. I have learned that. I just don't like peel-off masks. I used it. It's okay. To me, peel-off masks don't really work. So, I don't know. I might pass this off to maybe my niece or something. She can use it. Now, the hit of the samples this past week. This is the Amore Pacific Treatment Cleansing Oil. It says face and eyes. Oh my gosh, people, I love this. Yes, it is an oil, but it doesn't feel real oily on your skin. It makes a really nice, I don't want to say lather, but it does really clean your face. And it smells so good. Let me see if I can get a little of this smell out. There we go. I got a little left. Yes, it's a lightweight gel, lightweight oil, excuse me. It's just a clean, what I'm showing you, it's just a clean smelling. It's not heavily fragranced. Don't take it that way, but it just smells so clean. These two products are things I am seriously consider purchasing. I don't need a cleanser. I don't need shampoo. But man, are these two great. They're better than a lot of what I already have. They are. So, yeah. I can't buy them now, but I will purchase those. Now, let me go ahead and put the Garnier back in. So when I pull skincare, I'll only pull 3. Since we are talking skincare, I got a sample in an order. Yes, I made an order. And it's this Glow Recipe Pineapple C Brightening Serum. I really want to use this, so I'm going to put it in this week's sample stash. So I'm going to add it with the scrub, and then I'm going to pull 2 skincare samples from my sample stash. So let's see. I really want to try that pineapple serum. What are you? You want to come? Origins Active Charcoal Mask. Okay. It says it on the back what it is. That's it. We will try that. And one more. What are you? A little tube. Oh, Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. I have used this before and I love it. It is a really, really lightweight gel kind of moisturizer for your face, and I'm looking forward to using that this week. So that's a good one. So next, let's go into our perfumes. What are you? Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I don't know if I've tried Daisy. I might have. Just initial, it smells good. Just the initial spray, so we will use that this week. Carefully put those up. Next, what is this? Makeup. I've been pulling 2 makeup because I have a lot of makeup. I need to tilt it down so I can get in here. There's a little, oh, Meech and Mia. It's a eyeshadow. It looks like a pigment in beige, and it looks like a shimmer pink pigment. Yeah, so let's find something else. By the way, on my eyes today, I have the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Let's see if I can get a foundation. No, I didn't. I got Urban Decay Vice Special Effects. Oh, these are lips. See? Pretty cool. Well, then, yeah, we'll try these. Fever, Reverb, Ritual, and White Lie. Pretty cool looking. You can wear them. You wear them over your lipsticks, and it gives it a different look. So they're like toppers, lipstick toppers. Oh yeah, I really want to try this Ritual. I don't know why. That looks like a good Halloween color. Next, what's in here? Hair or body, and I'm just gonna pull one. Okay, what is this? Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. Alright, we'll try this dry shampoo. So, dry shampoo. I've got a Meech and Mia eyeshadow. Urban Decay lip toppers. Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer. An Origins mask. This Glow Recipe Pineapple Serum. The Garnier Blackhead Scrub. And Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Great, great, great ones. I'm excited. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up it, please, if you did. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload a new video. Because you know my schedule's a little crazy right now, but hopefully we're getting back into the swing of things. So, again, any questions or comments down below if you tried any of these products, let me know. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.